Okay, so I just got off the phone with the substation, and I asked the young lady, why is it that I will make a call about the disturbance, a noise disturbance, and I will be contacted after my first initial call, maybe 2, 3, 4 hours later, by somebody asking me, do I still hear the noise? Do I still need somebody to come out? If you tell them, yeah, you still hear the noises and need somebody to come out, then the waiting starts again. 2, 3, 4, 5, could be 6 hours, and you receive another call, and they will ask you the same question that they asked you the first time, and you told them, yeah, you still wanted somebody to come out. Then the young lady tells me that a noise disturbance is not a priority call. There are other calls that they will deal with, which is why they call you back to find out if you still need somebody to come out. Then explain, this is something that I need to talk to management about, which I've done through email on numerous occasions. So she said that's the last thing that they would respond to, basically, is a noise complaint. I said, so it's sort of like rescuing a cat out of the tree. Oh, we don't respond to calls like that. I'm like, that's not what I'm hearing. Sergeant did say that people call about cats being stuck in trees. I got it on. I recorded it. Even though I poked fun at it about that whole situation. But, yeah, basically it's like I said, they don't want to deal with that kind of stuff. So basically, if you ain't got a good head on your shoulders, you be in jail or somewhere dealing with these people that got issues and create all the noise and stuff within a low income place that you live in. So basically what they telling me, it's like them having a grudge against me or something. Police ain't supposed to let personal feelings get involved with how they make decisions, and that's what I feel is being done. There is no way that they should treat one call different from another. Yeah, one call might be more serious than another call, but still the same. But hey, to each his own. God bless him. That's that.